Hey guys, so today I'll show you a new video on how to get Candy AI Pro. So this is the Pro subscription. It's a modded app. So here we are. So just press on it, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification, right? So you need to download two apps, follow the instructions. It's completely free from official app store. So once you do this, you're going to be good to go. So peace out. But as you can see, it says right here, like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps. So just make sure you download two of them, and then you should get it for free. So like Coin Master, it says reach level 9. And then we've got DraftKings, it says install the app and open it. And then we've got just tons of apps. So that's how you get Candy AI Pro for free. And this type Candy AI Pro cost. It looks like it's gonna be very expensive, $14 a month, $22 a month. So yeah, if you guys want to pay, guys, that's up to you. But this is how to get it for free, so it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. So just make sure you navigate over to this website, and once you're there, guys, just type in like Candy AI Pro, whatever. So let me just type it in, and yeah, just like download it. So this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos about how to get Candy AI Pro premium subscription unlocked free of charge. So this is super wild. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, get the word out. So that's how to download it. This site is covered up with mods and apps, so you can find whatever you want on here. But today we're obviously doing Candy AI Pro for free. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Super cool, guys. Totally works. So peace out, my gang, but this actually works. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. And yeah, peace out, guys. This is super fun, bro.